Today I have my friend Bruce's Stratocaster on the bench. This is a really pretty guitar. I love this guitar. It plays really nice, but it needs some fret work. As you can see, this thing has some pretty hefty dents in it. So it needs a fret level and crown. And he said this D string was buzzing, which it is, on the first fret. So basically, I'm not going to touch the nut. I'm just going to give this thing a fret level and basically try to set it up exactly how he has it set up now, because he said he likes the way it plays. So that's no problem. I just marked down his settings.
Don't say I'm sorry to me before you go too soon away. You meant it. You meant it. Oh. Why am I outside? You meant it. Always something to do. After all this, I still refuse my cue. How can I get inside? Why did you do this? I can't find half of you. But you meant it. It's endless. Oh.
All right, here's Bruce's Strat. She's sounding good. Sounds like Strat.